The next topic is uploading files. Can we upload any files on Google Drive? Answer is yes. We can easily upload any file on the Google Drive. Now, what are the steps we need to follow in order to upload the files? Step number 1. We have to click the new button, the same new button. And after clicking this, you will get such kind of dialog box in front of you, such as name, new folder, file upload, folder upload. And after choosing, suppose here file upload has been chosen. After choosing this one, you will get such kind of things such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, etc. So this is the step 1. Thereafter, a file dialog box will be opened. Here it is the dialog box. In this case, there is an indication, and that is if we are using Google Chrome web browser, we can even upload the entire folder. So not only file, but folder at the same time can be uploaded easily whenever the browser is Google Chrome. Now the step 2 is we can locate the file easily that we want to upload. This is the step 2. We have to locate that file that we want to upload on the Google Drive. In the step 3, we have to select the open button, and and after selecting the open button, once again a new dialog box will open with the upload setting. And in the step 4, we have to choose the option to convert the file to a Google Documents. Now see, here the case is very sensitive, and that is we have to first convert those files into the Google Documents, either it will not be functioning. Clear? We have to first convert those selected files that we are intending to upload into the Google Documents, such as is maybe the spreadsheet, maybe the presentation or the Word, whatsoever, and we should keep these files into its original format. Otherwise, it not be functioning. Remember that converting allows us to edit a file and collaborate with others easily, and it will help us to edit and collaborate with others. And the converted documents can look a bit different, but here the one important things that we should keep in our mind, that the converted files or documents will be looked bit different from the original one. Now see over here, when the upload is completed, the file will appear in the Google Drive. In this way, this is the uploading a file, and you will get such kind of opening where it will show you that it will take less than a minute left, and the selected file is ICT project list documents, etc. Now here the take helps is very important. There are two main types of files that we can store on the Google Drives. Only two types of files we can easily store on the Google Drive, and these are: number 1, those files that can be edited. This is the category 1, and the category 2 is those files that we cannot edit easily. Clear? For the category 1, that means to editable files such as 2013 files, PDF files, and other text-based files, and non-editable files such as the music, video, compressed, and the zip files. Whenever once we upload a file of any type, we can manage, organize, or share and access it from anywhere. This is the facility of Google Drive. Another take help is we have to remember one thing, that all related files in a folder, we have to keep all related files in a folder. Clear? So all folder should consist of files, but not all files will consist of folders. Clear? So under the folder there will be the files. Now we can organize our files and folders with a relevant name. We have to give the name, and this will help us to search the name or the name of any file or the folder easily. Another topic is converting the files to the Google Documents format. This is the interface of showing a page where it is shown that converting a Word 2030 file to the Google Documents format. You will get such kind of format. Now our main intention is here. We can easily convert any files to Google Documents format. Answer is yes. Which kind of files? Such as Office 2013 files or the PDF documents, when uploaded, can only be viewed. Whenever we wish to edit these files on the Google Drive, we need to convert them first to the Google Documents format. Is it clear? First we have to convert any files to the Google Documents. Thereafter we can easily format, edit, whatsoever. Now in order to convert a file or to Google Documents format, the steps we need to follow. Number one, we have to double click the files that we intending to do this or editing, and thereafter, after doing this, a preview of the file will appear, and in the step 2 we have to select open at the top of the screen, and thereafter we will get such kind of opening. The another topic is sharing files. Yes, we can also share any files from the Google Drive. It is very easy to share files, and it will allow multiple people to edit the same file. How? Through the two ways. One way is when we are sharing a file with a limited group of people. Another is when we are sharing a file to or with a large number of people. Clear? In case of limited group of people, they must sign in with a Google account to view or edit the file. But for the case of larger number of or group of people, they will not need a Google account to access the file. These are the two cases, different cases for opening of the files. So what are the steps regarding share a file with a limited group of people? Number one, we have to select the file that we want to share. First we have to select. Second step is we have to click the share button. Now see, this is the share button. Clear? This is the second step. And after selecting this one, share with others dialog box will open. This is the opening dialog box, and this is the third step. We have to select the people, and the final option is step 4. We have to click the send option. In the step 3, where we have chosen the people name, and this will be known as the people box, we have to type the email address of the people in order to share the file with them. We can also add or attach a message along with this, and that will be emailed to the people in order to share the file with them. And also we can indicate or decide who will have the rights to edit, comments or view the file. We can do also this one. And the last step is we can click the send option for sharing the file. Now the last topic of this discussion is moving shared files in our Google Drive. So whenever sharing is done, then we can easily move any files in our Google Drive. Clear? Now the question is how? To transfer the file, we have to navigate to the share with me. Now see, this is the interface, and this will be known as the adding the files to share with me folder. After clicking my drive, you will get this kind of share with me option. We have to choose this one. To transfer the file, we have to navigate to the share with me folder. We have to navigate, and thereafter click move to icon. Thereafter we have to click the move to icon, and using the drop down menu box, we have to choose the file and then select add to my drive or to the desired folder. The file will be added automatically to the drive. Thanks for watching.